Today we're in the back workshop and we're going to make buttons. I'm going to explain to you how they're made, what's used, the dies and all that. So today we're going buttons. Okay, we have a die here, and this die, we get our fabric and we put it on a hard wood and we'd hammer it with a hammer, and the piece of fabric will come out like this. And then we get our eyelet. This is an eyelet, you can see it there, a little eyelet where you put your thread through. That fits in there. And then we get our cup, and this is our fabric going into the cup. And then we get little cups like that. We push that in with this dowel. We sit it on top, put our little cap in, and then we press it. And 3 times, my father always said, make sure you press it down 3 times. So when you press it down, you've got this. This is the button. It's not magic. So you can do loads of different fabrics with these buttons. Now these buttons are a 22, I think they're 22, 28. They're a 28, 28 size button. They go down to 12s, so you can get 14s, 18s. So different sizes, large sizes, small size buttons. So I'll make you another one. I'll make another one. So here's our die, okay, and we put it down on our fabric. So that's the side of the fabric we want. So we put it on the back side of it. Now we can do 2 at a time. We put that like that. We get our hammer. Hammer down through it. And there's our fabric. There's our fabric. So we get our eyelet. Again, the eyelet. We put it in. We get our cup. This is our fabric, so that it's this side of the fabric. We put the fabric in. We push it down with the dowel. We sit it on. We have a little fitting that fits on top. Press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's sealed. And there is how we make a button. That's it. With the eyelet where you'd put the thread through and you'd pull it. Okay, thank you for watching.